Hello students, now we are back with one of the most important topic of English language, that is the sentence. Now before we start this chapter, I would like to ask you all that how do we express our thoughts, our feelings, our emotions? The answer is we use different words to express our views, our thoughts and feelings. We arrange these words in certain groups in order to express our feelings. These words are arranged in such a way that they make complete sense. For example, Goa has fine beaches. Now in this sentence, we have arranged these four words in such a way that it conveys some meaning to the one to whom we are speaking. In the same way, we use different sentences. We arrange them in such a way that they convey the correct meaning to the one we are talking to. As you all can see, the definition of the sentence is written here. A group of words that makes complete sense is known as a sentence. Therefore, a sentence can be used to express a complete thought of the speaker. Now the next point, a sentence begins with a capital letter and it ends with a full stop or a question mark or a mark of exclamation. The sentence must contain a verb. You all must know what a verb is. So the sentence contains a verb that expresses its action. Now we'll be discussing about the kinds of sentences. There are total 4 kinds of sentences. The sentence can be divided into 4 different kinds. That is, the very first is your assertive or declarative sentence. The second is your interrogative sentence. Third is your imperative sentence. And the last is your exclamatory sentences. Now one by one we'll be discussing about all these 4 kinds. Assertive sentences are the sentences that states something. It declares something. For example, Tanzeen was a great classical singer. It states that Tanzeen was a great singer, that is why it is an assertive kind of sentence. Now further, an assertive sentences can be divided into 2 different categories. The first is your affirmative or positive sentence. The second is your negative sentence. In an assertive sentence, if we use any negative word, that is no, not, never, etc., then that sentence becomes negative. Else it is an affirmative kind of sentence. For example, if we are saying that this girl is tall, that means this is an affirmative sentence. If we say she is not tall, then it is negative. Now the second category is interrogative sentence. The sentences in which we ask a question, that is your interrogative sentence. For example, how did Tanzeen become such a great singer? With a question mark it is. In this question we are asking something, that is, it is an interrogative sentence. Now an interrogative sentence can be a yes or no question or a WH question. A yes or no question can be answered in either yes or no, whereas a WH question begins with a question word like when, who, why, what, etc. For example, if we are asking, were you absent yesterday? In this question, the one will answer in either yes or no. That is why it is yes or no type of question. Whereas the question, why were you absent yesterday, is WH type of question. Now we'll move on to the next kind of sentence, that is an imperative sentences. An imperative sentence expresses a command, order, a request or an advice. If I'll ask you to download any such kind of information about Tanzeen from the internet, in that I'm commanding you to do any task, that is why it is an imperative sentence. Or if I'm asking you to tell me something about you, that means if I'm requesting something or asking you any such things, that is why it is an imperative type of sentence. If I'm advising you something, that also comes under this imperative sentence also. So in imperative type of sentence, we can either express a command, makes request, or give some advice to others. Now the last kind of sentence is exclamatory sentence. An exclamatory sentence expresses some strong feelings or emotion. For example, how lovely the rose is. How melodiously the nightingale sings. Such sentences are exclamatory sentences. An exclamatory sentences always ends with a mark of exclamation.